Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to carve a line of a text in Photoshop step by step. So let's begin. Create a new layer. Step 1. Type right click on your mouse, use pen tool or any shape mode. Use path selection or shape. Example, use path selection, then click anywhere and draw a curved line. Alter key remove. Then right click again, text color black color and choose the text size, then adjust middle point, then type anything or paste, double click again, increase the text size, increase or decrease, okay, and apply step 2. Again create a new layer, type text, okay, then double click the text selection, then right click on your mouse or text, choose style, see this multiple style, vertical, horizontal, black, destination, sorry, distortion, okay, and press Ctrl T on your mouse, customs, apply the same process, okay. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.